नमस्कार, मैं हूँ गुंजन ग्रोवर और आज हम बात करेंगे लव और मनी की। They say money can't buy you love and happiness, but when you have love and money, you can get all the happiness in this world. This week, we will celebrate the power of love with the celebrity power couples. How did COVID-19 affect their brand value? Love के साथ साथ उनकी endorsement बढ़ी या फिर कम हुई? But before that, show me some love and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to like this video. According to Celebrity Brand Valuation Report 2020 by Duff & Phillips, Virat Kohli is topping the list as India's most valued celebrity for the fourth consecutive year. He has a brand value of $237.7 million. Anushka Sharma 13th spot पर है with a brand value of $26.7 million. विराट कोहली के पोर्टफोलियो में almost 30 brands हैं, from F&B to healthcare, e-commerce to automotive sector. वहीं अनुष्का has been endorsing personal care products. As of 2020, उनकी combined net worth is more than 1,000 crore rupees. They have money, they have love, and a huge fan following too. Virat has 165 million followers over Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and Anushka has almost 80 million. Recently, the couple has also been in the news a lot for the birth of their child Vamika. वो अपने बच्चे को भले ही लाइमलाइट से बाहर रखना चाहते हैं, but they give their fans plenty of adorable moments to gush about. PDA की बात हो और दीपवीर का नाम ना आए ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता. Right behind Virushka is this powerhouse couple, Ranveer Singh and Deepika Padukone, who seem to be truly, madly, deeply in love with each other 24/7. And their fans can't seem to get enough of their charming pictures and flirtatious comments. Ranveer has almost 62 million and Deepika has 126 million followers over FB, Twitter and Insta. और अगर बात brand valuation की हो, तो दोनों top 5 में हैं. Ranveer with his brand value of $102.9 million is at the 3rd spot and Deepika is at the 5th spot with a brand value of $50.4 million. Compared to last year, Ranveer की brand value बढ़ी है और Deepika की कम हुई है.
For Deepika, one of the key factors in brand valuation, what we look at is number of endorsements. So that has been the key driver for Deepika. Her brand endorsements was 17 last year and which has fallen down to around 9 endorsements this year. While she has bagged certain new endorsements like Reliance Jio and Flipkart, which was just a digital campaign, but that has been sort of a key driver for Deepika. Plus, she also got involved in a few controversies, even though those have a limited impact on our valuation because our valuation is more of it captures a lifetime earnings potential for a celebrity. So that has been another factor. And plus, lastly, even from the box office, her last movie was Chapak, which came in early part of this year. And for Ranveer, he has been very active. He is on social media through engaging with his fans. And in terms of number of endorsements, he has signed up around 7 new endorsements this year. So his brand portfolio has increased, and he has signed new brands like Edura, which has been also one of the booming sectors this year for celeb endorsements.
उन्होंने अपनी wealth का एक significant हिस्सा अपने entrepreneurial ventures में invest किया है. Inking Records, All About You, and Ka Entertainment, which is Deepika Padukone's production house. Alia Bhatt and Ranbir Kapoor are another couple who have made it to the top 20 celebrity brand rankings. Alia Bhatt social media पर काफी active है, and the younger generation can identify with her a lot. She has more than 80 million followers over FB, Insta and Twitter. With a brand value of $48 million, Alia Bhatt gets the 6th spot and Ranbir Kapoor 18th spot with a brand value of $25.2 million. I think Ranbir Kapoor को भी अपनी social media presence बढ़ानी चाहिए ताकि उनकी brand value बढ़ सके. Maybe he could take tips from Alia Bhatt. Alia Bhatt has also become an entrepreneur and launched a kids clothing brand. In October 2020, she also invested an undisclosed amount in lifestyle retail brand Nykaa. Akshay Kumar is at the 2nd spot with a brand value of $118.9 million. Shah Rukh is at the 4th spot with a brand value of $51.5 million. And Kareena is at the 14th spot with a brand value of $26.6 million. Even though their spouses don't feature in this top 20 list, it doesn't stop them from being a power couple. According to Forbes in 2019, Akshay Kumar is the highest paid actor in India and the 4th highest paid actor in the world. Twinkle Khanna, who is a published author, a newspaper columnist, an interior designer and a film producer, is known for her witty remarks. According to sources, Akshay Kumar and Twinkle Khanna have a net worth of more than 2,000 crore rupees. अगर आपको ये ज़्यादा लग रहा है, then wait till you hear about Shah Rukh and Gauri's net worth. The king of Bollywood alone himself is worth more than $600 million. That is 4,000 crore rupees. They're also known as the Bollywood's first family और उनकी love story किसी Bollywood film से कम नहीं है. They have been together for almost 35 years, through thick and thin. When Shah Rukh grew up from that Fauji boy to brand SRK, जो अपने acting skills के अलावा is also known for his endorsements and entrepreneur ventures. Shah Rukh is also the co-owner of IPL team Kolkata Knight Riders. He, along with his wife Gauri, also co-founded the production and distribution company Red Chillies Entertainment. Another power couple who's always been the talk of the town is Saifina. Saif's always known to be head over heels in love with Kareena. Remember the tattoo on his arm? In March 2020, Kareena finally created her official account and joined the Instagram bandwagon. As of Feb 2021, she has almost 6 million followers. Her brand value too has gone up since last year. She's been getting a lot of mom-baby endorsements since she got pregnant. Their son Taimur also has a huge fan following and is one of the most popular star kids even at the age of 3. This Nawab family has it all. Love, money, fame and even palaces. Sounds like a fairy tale, isn't it? इसके अलावा और कौन से power couples हैं who set some serious couple standards for everyone? Don't forget to mention in the comment section. Until then, here's me Gunjan signing off. Don't forget to show me some love and like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, take care, keep calm and invest on.